Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? 'Cause I need it. No. I'ma try you this one time. Want you to be mine.
I feel like Scooby-Doo, like a dog. Eat the bastard Scooby snacks, then I go hard. Girl, drop it, man, cause he ain't take you far. She drop it too.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl KJ, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing an unboxing from the gate, from DHgate. Okay, this here is a technology unboxing. Now this definitely did take, I want to say, 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, now when I was unboxing this, I was excited, but I definitely paused for a minute because what type of box is this? Where they do this at? Literally, when I was unboxing it, I was upset. I'm like, hold on. No, they didn't. So I proceeded to record, unboxed it, and boom, there is the box. I'm like, okay, whew. So I was like, Lord, please don't let this be. Please don't let this be. So anyway, I proceeded to do the recording. And as I opened the other box, I'm like, okay, I'm starting to get excited. Now, this here was $30. These were $30, okay? They're really nice. I personally like them, okay? When I was opening the package, I'm like, wow. The packaging was really, really nice. It was solid. You know, it looked real legit. Words everywhere, logo everywhere, pictures everywhere. It just gave what it's supposed to give. Okay, now I did say this did take 2 to 3 weeks to come. It was $30. The original price was like $25, but I think I paid like $5 in shipping, so basically $30. And it was the shipping was actually cool. It wasn't like too extreme. So I was opening it, and when I got to, open it, I did struggle a little bit. But when I did get to open it, I was super, super excited. I'm like, yo, I straight got some headphones that's affordable. So as I'm opening it, I'm like, okay, this looks really, really nice. I did go on the website. The link will be in the description box if y'all want to check it out for yourself. The link will be in the description box below. Also, I have other links as well. Just go to my main link tree. It's in my description box as well. And these, like I said, was $30. Literally, like, you can't beat that. Now, when I was opening it, everything was falling out, but it did come with the headphones. It came with the case. It came with extra, like, little headphone earpieces. It came with a cord so you could charge it, and then it just came with like some other instructions and stuff like that. Now, I was so excited. I didn't even open the instructions. I did open the rest of the package, and it did come with the cord and the headphones that y'all could see. But other than that, I was like real excited. Everything like was new. It was like literally freshly wrapped. Like, didn't nobody touch this. Okay. And like I said, everything did fall out the box when I was opening it. So the headphones look a little crazy. But these are how they look. These are the ones I chose was the AirPod Pros. Okay. This is what they look like. I really like them. I actually have some original. Like, I paid, $199, however much that was. I paid the original price for the actual thing, and baby, I don't like paying that price. So I found these, and I got these. Now, as I went to go, connect them to my phone, I do have other ones connected, so I had to unconnect it, and it did the whole thing. I opened it, I hit connect, I hit okay, I did all the prompts, and I didn't have no problems. Literally no problems. I checked these out. I went ahead and listened to some music, and baby, you can hear them loud and clear. I don't see any difference from my original ones. Yeah, go get y'all some of these if y'all want some for the low. And they already came fully charged. I did not have to charge them. Y'all better go get y'all some. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.